Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my channel. I see your master face. Today's question is find the find the product of the square root of the first two consecutive perfect square. The first two consecutive perfect square. One. One times one. One. The next one, two square. The next one, three square. The next one, four square. The next one, five square, and so on. So bring this one down. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. I say find the product of the square root of the first two consecutive perfect square. After this, the next one, that is this and this. The first two consecutive perfect square are 1 and 4. Are 1 and 4. They say find the product of the square roots. Find the product of the square roots. Therefore, its square root is the square root of 1, the product first, 1 times 4, which is equals to square root of 4. And the square root of 4 is what? 2. Let's go again. Find the product of the square root of the first two consecutive perfect square. Perfect square. The first number row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So the first one, which is 1. 1 square will give you what? 1. 1 times 1 will give you 1. 2 square will give you 4. 2 times 2, 4. 3 square will give you 9. 3 times 3, 9. 4 square will give you 16. 4 times 4, 16. 5 square will give you 25. 5 times 5, 25, and so on. Now they say the first two consecutive perfect square are the first. This is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. The first two, which is first and second, and they are what? 1 and 4. Therefore, its square root is the square root of the product. Product is multiplication of the two numbers. 1 times 4 will give you 4. So the square root of 4 will give you 2. Hopefully you learned something. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.